My name is Paul Haidle. I work here at Cabrini Green Legal Aid, and I work in the criminal records program. I work on expungements, sealings, pardon applications from the governor, and I also supervise our expungement help desk. I grew up in the suburbs of Chicago. I went to Chicago-Kent Law School. I started volunteering here at Cabrini Green Legal Aid, and immediately it kind of clicked with me with the staff and the kind of cases that Cabrini Green took. In 2006, the clerk's office, Dorothy Brown's office, approached our agency and were looking to have a help desk put into place that would help people determine if they're eligible to expunge or seal their record. My clients, they're not looking for a free ride. They're looking to work. They want to contribute to society. They want to pay taxes. They want to do all this stuff, but they're being hindered.
At the Expungement Help Desk, we see 25 people a day, and that totals over 4,500 people a year. It would be very easy for a person to just have those be numbers and not individuals. Paul has always managed to look and respect each and every person, deliver quality legal services, never let it just be another person visiting the help desk.
We just did a clemency hearing just a couple weeks ago. She's a lady who is in her late 60s now. She's been arrested once in her life in 1974. She was a battered woman. She was in a relationship with a man and had a couple of kids with this man. My client wanted out of the relationship. The father of the children didn't want to accept that. She moved over 8 times to get away from him. He kept tracking her down and would brutally beat her. He tracked her down again, sure enough, and started to beat her, and she went for the gun and ended up shooting him. He wasn't killed, he was injured. The judge at least recognized something was going on there, and they gave her 5 years of probation for aggravated assault. She was never able to get real decent jobs with that conviction. She wants to volunteer at her grandkids' school. The problem is that she's afraid to get involved more than she already is because she knows that they're going to run background checks. She's this loving grandmother that wants to be really involved in her grandkids' lives, and she can't because of something that happened before I was even born where she was protecting herself. That's a clemency now that's going to be pending. So we don't know. It could be some time. I'm hopeful that the governor will grant it.
Individuals coming to see us at the help desk often have high hopes of an expungement taking place, but unfortunately over half the people we seek don't qualify. The reason Paul's so good at the job he does is you have to deliver really hard news on a daily basis and do it with compassion and with respect for the individual, understanding where they're coming from. And he does that extremely well.
I'm an advocate because I believe in redemption. I believe in the redemption of people. I get to know clients, get to know so much about their lives because I'm trying to convince the governor that this person has really changed. And this is why they're a beautiful person now and why you should give them some sort of second chance.